Hey, how's it going, and welcome to the second of the RagDoll Races. Red should certainly be feeling pretty confident following his success in the previous race, while the rest definitely have a lot to answer for. Now we should be in for an interesting one today, as Purple has just returned from failing catastrophically at Ninja Warrior, and Green has been eating nothing but stale ham and jam rolls for the past 2 weeks. So let's get over to the start line and get this awesome visual feast for the eyes underway. Now here we are over at the starting line, and you can see we've done a bit of an upgrade. We have fancy new metal lettering, and each ragdoll now has its own starting block, which means they'll all be released simultaneously. And here we go. Now the ragdolls are on their way through the pointy pegs, and you can see that Green has taken a slightly faster route, but it's all still fairly close as they head into the first set of wheels. Now they're bunching up a little bit here. They have to get through here. You may remember these from the previous race. It was only 1 set of wheels. We've doubled it up. There is now 2. Crazy, right? But don't worry, we see it as an investment. Now it looks like Green and Blue have managed to squeeze through first, with Red. Yes, Red has now popped out behind, and then the rest are coming as a bit of a clump. Now Green and Blue are making their way down the first straight, and they're heading towards the pirouetting pluses. Now here they go. This has been made a lot more difficult since the last race, and it's now quite awkward to find the optimum route through the middle. Green and Blue have found their way through to the bottom and are now working their way to the dangly flaps. These can give you a bit of a headache, but the others are all sticking together in a big bunch behind. Now I don't know if this is some kind of tactic to stick together like this, but Green and Blue have taken a leap off the swing bar and have gone into the brand new obstacle. This is aptly named Giant Spinning Wheel with Circular Cutouts, and Green has managed to get out, but Blue is going round again for some reason. So we now have Yellow and Blue stuck in the big spinning wheel with circular cutouts, and the rest are onto the rubber baby buggy bumpers. No, that's not right. Sorry, wrong name. Rubber wheels. That's the one. It doesn't matter. Green is now making his way down the straight as he heads in towards the thrusting cubelets. Now these can be quite tricky to navigate, but there is a fast way if you can just get your entry right, and oh, it seems like they've all got squashed. What are they doing? Numpties. Green is now making his way into the flippity flaps, and he has taken the right hand channel and gone down. He's now in the chicane and got right to the very bottom. The others are still messing around. They seem to think it's a party. So he's into the spinning cubes. He now seems to be having a lot of fun in there, kind of showboating if you ask me, but he's now going into another straight underneath pirouetting pluses. Now this is a new section. Basically you have to kind of find a way to get over these rising and lowering cubes, and he seems to be doing it with some kind of finesse. This is quite pleasurable to watch, in all honesty. As he flaps around trying to find his way over the cubes, you can kind of see where the training has really gone to get him to this stage. Now he's heading into the final straight, and this is the finish line, and he's done it. Green is the winner of the second ragdoll race, and here we can see Blue is trying to catch up and trying to steal the second place as he jumps onto the final straight and into the finish line. Blue has taken second, and he will definitely be happy with that. Here we can see Yellow obviously got free of the thrusting cubelets. He's now onto the pushy squarey cube things, and he is now working his way over, and he's making this look really difficult. Here he goes. He's gone into the final, a little bit of a head tap, and bang, he's hit the finish line. That is Yellow in third place. Now frankly, I don't think the rest are taking it completely seriously, but that is it for the second of the RMF Ragdoll Races. Let's head over to the podium to see Green take his victory.